Ideogram 2.0 is out and it's better than ever. The images look realistic, the text rendering is improved, and there are new features like color palettes and different image styles. But is Ideogram 2.0 better than Midjourney and Flux Pro? Let's find out in this video. Here are some image samples generated with Ideogram 2.0, Midjourney, and Flux using the same prompt. I haven't shuffled the order or positions. Try to guess which model is which and which one you think is the best. If you can't guess, don't worry. Keep watching and you'll find the answer. In the first image, I used the prompt, a hyper-realistic, high-resolution photo of No Face from the Studio Ghibli movie Spirited Away giving a speech at a TED Talk event. As you can see, Midjourney understood the reference but wasn't 100% accurate. There's also no sign of the TED Talk in the background. If you're unfamiliar with the character, here's an image of No Face from the animated movie Spirited Away. On the other hand, Flux Pro didn't grasp the character reference at all, but it did understand the TED Talk event context. I also ran the prompt in Ideogram using the 2.0 model with the magic prompt turned off and the style set to auto. You'll notice that Ideogram 2.0 also didn't recognize the character reference, but it did capture the TED Talk event. For the second prompt, I used a fat Korean maid crying on the floor. Behind her, a Hispanic woman with dark red hair is yelling at her in a mansion, dramatic, hyper-realistic photography. Midjourney did a great job generating images with this prompt. Let's see how Flux Pro and Ideogram handle it. Flux Pro's version was pretty similar to Midjourney and I really liked the result. However, I'm not impressed with Ideogram's results. There are too many flaws in these images. Let's move on to the third image. This time, I wanted to see how each model handles text, so I tested this prompt. A photo of a teenage female model wearing an oversized white t-shirt with the words Coco and Comfy. As you can see, Midjourney struggles with rendering the text accurately. It's clear that Midjourney still can't handle text well. Interestingly, this isn't the case with Flux Pro. It was able to generate the text accurately, and I also think that the image created with Flux Pro looks realistic and cinematic. As for the new Ideogram version 2, I was a bit disappointed. I thought among these three AI image generators, Ideogram would render text better, but for some reason, it didn't do a great job. Now, for the final image, I wanted to give a more complex prompt to test out the creativity of each model. My prompt was a dusty, dark, doomed African landscape with half the face of a lion and half the face of a doctor in a lab coat superimposed over the clouds roaring. Midjourney generated 4 outputs, and I really liked the second version. Let's see if Flux Pro and Ideogram 2 can beat this. Sadly, Flux Pro failed to understand the context and generated just a picture of a lion. I ran the prompt twice, but the result was the same. Interestingly, Ideogram 2 understood the context and succeeded on the first try. Looking at these images, I think they came out pretty good. So there you have it, a side-by-side comparison of the latest Ideogram 2.0, Midjourney, and Flux Pro. Which AI image generator do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others. And if you want to see more videos on the latest AI tools and insights, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.